Best Electric and Air Conditioning, voted #1 in Southwest Florida. All air conditioning and electrical companies are not the same. At Best, our customers always come first.
They are always on time. They're very polite. They're the kind of company that you could leave in your home if you're not going to be there. We trust them that much.
Their pricing, their reliability, their skill, I wouldn't choose anyone else.
When you want the best, call Best Electric and Air Conditioning, 888-670-BEST.